City Itinerary, a guide to exploring and planning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting and useful phrase, city itinerary. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about exploring new places, understanding this term is quite essential. Let's dive in and discover what it's all about. A city itinerary is essentially a plan or a schedule for your visit to a city. Think of it as a roadmap that guides you through different attractions, activities, and places of interest in a city. It includes details like where to go, what to see, and how much time to spend at each location. It's not just a list, but a well-thought-out plan that helps make your visit enjoyable and efficient. Planning a city itinerary is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps you maximize your time. Cities are filled with attractions, and without a plan, you might miss out on some amazing spots. Second, it aids in budgeting. Knowing where you're going helps estimate costs like entrance fees and transportation. Lastly, it reduces stress. Having a plan takes the guesswork out of your trip, letting you enjoy the experience more fully. Creating a city itinerary might seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. Start by researching the city and listing down the places you want to visit. Consider factors like opening hours, proximity, and your interests. Then, organize these places into a logical order, keeping in mind a time needed at each spot. Don't forget to include breaks for meals and rest. Use maps and local guides to fine-tune your itinerary, ensuring it's practical and enjoyable. Here are some quick tips to enhance your city itinerary. Be flexible. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. Be ready to adapt your itinerary. Mix activities. Include a variety of activities: cultural, leisure, and adventurous, to keep things interesting. Local insights. Talk to locals or check local blogs for hidden gems that might not be in guidebooks. Time management. Allocate more time to places you're really excited about and keep travel time in mind. And there you have it. A city itinerary is more than just a plan. It's the key to unlocking the best experiences a city has to offer. We hope this video helps you in crafting your own perfect city adventure. Happy exploring, and see you in our next video.